extra income or additional earnings. Of course, that's what we want. It's perfect timing because what we've been waiting for has arrived. The new partner for our small store. Let's unbox it. Come on.
So there it is, guys. Wow, my new business partner just arrived. ShareWiFi, and yes, it's legit. You don't need an IT expert here. It's just plug and play. Just connect it, turn it on, and boom! You have extra income right away. As long as you have Wi-Fi at home or in your store, your earnings continue. The good thing is, it can be on installment and there's cash on delivery.
So if you're broke today, that's okay. You'll recover once they start dropping coins.
So here it is, guys. And look, this is nice. It comes with an acrylic LED light signage so people immediately know, hey, there's a coin-operated Wi-Fi here. The packaging is really nice, very safe, very protective. We have protective styrofoam here.
And here it is, guys. Yeah. Wow. The color is really vibrant. I chose the yellow color like the rays of the sun that really stands out for our extra income. How about you? Do you have this already?
Truly made of thick metal. Really thick, solid, durable. You won't curse it, then it's double locked. It comes with 2 keys and you can even add your own padlock if you're like me and paranoid about security. Inside, hey, this is where you'll earn. You can recover or harvest a lot of coins here. For load, for coffee, for snacks, for meals, for dates, for everything. So you'll just wish you had it all. And here, it even has LED lights in front and a sound effect every time a coin is inserted.
So even if you're sleeping in the afternoon, you'll wake up to the sound of your earnings.
And it also has a stainless handle, but I plan to have a frame made for it to look more upscale in the store. This is also where you plug in the power, and there are pre-made holes that you can remove if you want to customize the airflow or wiring. And inside the ShareWiFi, there's the router, the charger, exhaust fan, 1-meter cable, extra chain, and many more accessories.
And here's more, a 15-meter internet cable. Wow, it's so long, guys, just like my patience when someone borrows money from me and hasn't paid yet. Guys, it's not over. What I really like about this package is that it comes with a free tarpaulin. Yes, a promotional tarp that you can place in front of your store, in front of your house, or anywhere you want to show off. It's a complete business. You don't have to spend more. Ready to sell.
Ready to earn, ready to be loaded. Do you want to earn without doing anything? Let's make money from your home, internet, start sharing Wi-Fi.
Extra income or additional earnings, this is the answer. If you're ready to earn and make money, it's this easy to order. First, go to the ShareWiFi portal. Second, there's a basket there. Choose your package. There's an installment worth 1,000 pesos per month or a full package worth 10,000 pesos. Just check the details, and this is the most important thing, okay? Enter the code in the description and then submit it. Someone will contact you for confirmation. If you have questions, their official Facebook is available. They respond and take care of you like a partner, but they don't leave. So if you're looking for easy, fast, and guaranteed extra income, stop scrolling. This is it. ShareWiFi. Plug, play. Earn immediately. Links and details are below, so you can be the next to earn big. Let's go.